Okay, let's look at the homework 7.4, 8.1, number 12. All right, so we have a bunch of probability assignments, and we want to see which one is acceptable and which is not acceptable. Right? So let's see. In this case, we have to choose the one that, let's see, would have be rejected. So not acceptable. All right. So let's look at that. Right. First thing we need to talk about is to to understand acceptable probability assignments. Right. So let's say you have a sample space with bunch of simple events. Right. Then in order to be acceptable probability assignment, each probability, so you have a bunch of simple events, probability has to be always between 0 and 1. Right. And the second condition is that the probability, sum of all the probability, has to add up to 1, right? That's basically all. All right, so let's go back and see which one is acceptable, right? Should the probability assignment A be rejected, right? Why or why not, right? Look at part A, right? So this is between 0 and 1, 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 right? That part is okay. But if you add all these probabilities, you can see that it's going to be too big, it's going to exceed 1. So that's why this should be rejected. So yes, because each probability, this one is okay. Right, because it's probably between 0 and 1 and the sum of the probabilities. So no. Yes, because one of the probability is negative. No, because the sum of all negative is not equal to 1. Right, so this is the reason why this should be rejected, because the sum of all the probability is just too big. Right, so check that. Right, so we got part A. All right, then go to part B. Right, part B. So should the probability assignment B be rejected? All right. So you can see this is between 0 and 1. All right, this is negative. So that violates the condition. This is okay. That is okay. All right. So this should be rejected because one of the probability is negative. So that's the reason. All right. I check the answer. All right, got that. All right, and C. I'll have to continue. Right, probability assignment C. Right, should this be rejected? Right, you have this is between 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, so it's okay. Let's add them up. Right, 0.09 plus 0.23, so that will be 0.32, plus 0.46, so that's going to be 0.78, plus 0.22 is going to add up to exactly 1, right? So no, because probability is between 0 and 1, and the sum is exactly 1. So D is the answer. Right, check the answer. Right, that's that. I hope that this was clear.